I'm so excited that I got a moment right now to film for you guys. Today I will be talking about favorites and also some dislikes. Products that did not work for me. I have tried several products this month because of BoxyCharm. Include also perfume, skincare, and makeup. A quick dislike. I don't know if you received the same things or this that I got in BoxyCharm. I was so happy that I got some sponges. I tried them. First of all, I loved them because they were so soft. I'm a sucker for like soft sponges. Like, I love that. I think the one from Fenty Beauty is really soft and I was obsessed with it. But these, I forgot the brand. Was this something NYC or I don't even know. I applied my makeup with these, obviously not these two, it brings 4 of them. And when I looked at my face, I had like little pieces of the sponge. That was so disappointing. So I'm not even gonna use these. Like, for what? Like, that was just disgusting. I was excited at first until I tried it. This powder from Beauty Bakery. Beauty Bakery has the most beautiful packaging if you're into it. Not everybody's gonna be into it. But this is their flower setting powder. Better Not Bitter. It's really nice. If you guys know me, I'm very oily, which you can see right now. I need a good blotting, but it's really hot. I have the AC off. I can't film with the AC on. This is an oat translucent. This is a loose powder. I like pressed powders better, but I don't know why. Like, I always wanted to try this so bad that in the mornings, like when I do my makeup, I've been applying this powder. It works good. This is what it looks like. I'm trying to show you without like spilling. Is it messy? Yes. Maybe it's only messy for me, but this is why I don't like loose powders. Not saying that I don't like it. I just told you that I've been using it. I like it. It leaves me nice and matte. I go a bit heavy with it. I mean, it looks fine. It does like leave my face a little whiter, but then, you know, after this, then I go with the bronzer and everything works out. A lot of you guys don't like talc. This has talc. I prefer no talc, but this spray here, I've mentioned it before. If you guys have watched me for years now, the Pacifica SPF 45 Set and Protect Matte Sheer Setting Mist. Vitamin C and C minerals, vegan and cruelty free. I love this spray. Also, another thing, I love smelling like sunscreen. I know some people hate the smell of sunscreen. I love the smell of sunscreen. I love that scent. I don't know, it makes me happy. It makes me think of vacation, beach, happy times. So I do use SPF every day. I don't always use the spray. I always use a cream. This really does smell like SPF. So if you don't like that, then... But yeah, this one from Pacifica. This is not only beautiful, I think it's beautiful. First of all, it's glass. It's yellow. It's adorable. Okay, this is adorable. This is the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. I have very oily skin, and this does not feel oily on me, okay? It dries out, you look good, you don't look shiny, it doesn't feel sticky. Trust me, I wouldn't be recommending it if it made me feel like that. I can't stand that. Very picky with like any moisturizers that I use, and I love this one. This is how it looks. Okay, so as you see, it's not runny whatsoever, and a little goes a long way. I just love to put this before I put on, you know, my foundation. Let me tell you about this palette here that I tried from Elemis. Elemis? I don't know. This is the Unveiled Artistry palette. This I got in BoxyCharm as well. And I know the colors are beautiful. I tried them, but it's too warm for me. I don't like warm tones on me. I would like to use these. Maybe I'll use other colors. I did try to use these here, but they're very warm. I like neutral, I think, and cool for sure. I don't feel like it looks good on me. Light skin with the blonde, I don't know. It's just my preference. So I will try to use these, but maybe with something else. But it is a beautiful palette. It feels really nice, high-end and everything. I love the unique design, but it's definitely not one I'm gravitating towards. I finally got a new Anastasia Dip Pomade. I feel like soon I'll be having to go for my microblading again, but I'll try to wait till next year. Since I did it last year, I try to leave it for like 2 years. Love this. See? Brand new. I don't know why it's like so hard for me to purchase a new pomade. I'm like, no, not yet, not yet. Not to go overboard before. Like, I used to think I was fine. Then I used to go to a mirror in a store, like Macy's, and I used to look at myself like, wow, I really like did them like super dark and thick, like they're. So I try to go like not as heavy-handed, since sometimes the mirror in my house doesn't really show me the truth, you know. Right, I have this here. You might have received this as well. I was super excited when I saw this in BoxyCharm. I don't know the brand, but I always wanted to try something like this. These are like eye patches. They're not like, they are eye patches. Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. It's really cool. It comes with this little, like, what do you call it, a spatula. You take, oh my god. Ugh, that is disgusting. If you can see this mess right now because they fell. Oh my god. Anyway, they're super slimy. Do not try that. I was just trying to show you, but that fell all over me. They're super wet, and you just put them under your eyes with no makeup on. I usually leave it for 20 minutes, and then I just remove them, pat whatever I have left, and it just feels really nice. And I really like to take care of my under eye because the makeup just looks nicer when it looks like nice and hydrated there, not like crusty, creasing, which mine do so much. This is what I've been using for bronzer. And tell me this, if you guys know, is Marc Jacobs coming back with their makeup line or not? Because I heard rumors that, like, I don't know, September, October, or something like that, they were gonna go away, just staying with like their fragrance. So, but I thought I saw in Trend Mood that they might be coming back. I don't know, but I love the Marc Jacobs powder. Not the powder. The bronzer, the Omega bronzer. I've raved about it. Where is it? Here, I have the little one. I love this stuff. I think it's perfection. I know they have different colors, but this is the Tantastic. It works really good with my very fair skin. I can't talk about it if I'm not sure if you can get it, because then you guys are gonna get mad at me. But I love this stuff in Tantastic. So now I've just been using my Park Avenue Princess from Tarte. It's like the quickest thing I grab. And for bronzer, I'm still using this little one here. Look how dirty that looks. It looks like it's 15 years old. But it's not. This is the NARS Orgasm Blush. I really like it. It gives like a nice glow as well. So I usually do my cheeks and also my nose. But then I try to like pat my nose after because I don't like a glow. Any kind of glow like on my nose. And I know some people like to like do their nose, not me. Not all my blushes have like a highlight as well. So it's just this that's a little like glowy. I've been wearing this from Too Faced. I don't know if you can get it, if you can still get it, if they put it in a different packaging, but this is the Born This Way Naturally Radiant Concealer. I just like, again, when it comes to my under eye, moisturizing, letting it look nice, youthful, healthy, not all like dry, and it's not the best color for me for like brightening, but this is in light nude. I do like to make my under eye really bright. So I showed you guys in my last favorites video 2 perfumes, but this is like out of those 2, I think I showed you 2 or 3. This is the one that I've been dying for, and I wear it That's where I have it up to. I have it up to there now. This is the Givenchy Irresistible. It smells so good. I like it. Let me know if you smelled it. If you like it, go on Google, read the notes. I'll try to list these things in the description. I'm sorry I didn't mention it before, but if you watch me, you know I usually list whatever I speak about in the description. And my newest find is this. Have any of you guys tried this? This is called Tantastic. I did laser hair removal and I stayed with like red dots on my legs. I'm super white. Anything red shows up like crazy. It's been years now and it never went away. Also, I got burned really bad on my leg, and I just find it like a coincidence that that's exactly where these red dots are not going away. I feel like they're like ingrown hairs, but just like ingrown hairs plus like permanent red dots. I made a video all about it. I'm trying this now. I did go to a dermatologist. One of them told me, oh, that's not going to go away, and others just send me creams and body washes, but I don't think it's doing much, so I want to try something on my own, and this seems to be working. It says it's good for ingrown hairs, razor bumps, shaving, waxing. So you apply to dry skin only. Test on a small area for an hour for sensitivity. I did. It was fine. Dampen with cotton ball. I just use a cotton pad and I just put it all over my legs. And it seems to be working. I feel like it works a bit better than what the dermatologist sent me. You know, you do have to be consistent with things. As you see, I just have it up to here because I literally just purchased it. I don't know what sunscreen I use for my face. It's this one from Clinique. I've been using it forever. It's the Broad Spectrum SPF 50. They have it in the body cream and for the face. I'm using the body cream because it's a bigger size and I think they have the same ingredients, and it's oil-free, non-acnegenic, appropriate for sensitive skin. Dermatologist tested. Do your own research anytime I recommend anything because your skin could be very different than mine. I don't want you to react to something and then say that just do your research. No matter who recommends what. Watching, let me know if you've been loving something that you discovered this month. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.